Kusema ni tuheshimu ile serikali iko kwa kila wakati. Nasema hivyo kwa nini? Hata nyinyi Wakamba ambao wako hapa, you have the right to have your person as a president of this nation. And it is time for you to reorganize yourself strategically. Kalonzo Musyoka has been vying for a long time. He has never been the president. He has been supporting somebody else. Can you ask him to talk to us nicely? Because President Ruto is going to be there for the next 10 years. I'm saying so. I have the right to say something. And I have to pass the message. Kalonzo has been missing the target for a long time. And we want to tell these other people from the other regions to give us tomorrow somebody else. Because we don't want only the Kalenjins and the Kikuyus to be the president of this nation. So even the smaller communities need to have their own person to be the president. I'm saying so because you don't need to see me as a Kalenjin, so that at least you see Ruto being the president. Tomorrow you want a Kikuyu to be the president. How about the Kambas? How about the Luos? How about the people from the coast? How about the people from the northeastern? I'm passing this message because we want a united Kenya.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Next.
Familia ya Mure, our bishop na wale wote tumekuja kushikiliana na kwa